In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App outside of USA. So at the moment, I am in Europe and I can use my Cash App account. If you want to use your Cash App account, you need to set up the VPN. In this case, NordVPN is the best VPN to use Cash App outside of US. As you can see, I have got NordVPN in my mobile phone and I am connected to the United States server. So this VPN is not free and I will show you how to get it. You need to click the link in the description or in the comment section. I leave the registration link. And once you will go to this link, you need to click Get NordVPN, and right here you need to choose the basic plan because it's totally enough for you. If you want a huge discount, you need to choose 2-year plans. You can see you will save 70%. For 1-year plans, you will save 63%, and you won't save any money if you choose monthly payment option. So you need to get the NordVPN, download it on your mobile phone using Google Play Store or App Store, and once you will get it, you need to open it and you need to connect to the United States server. After that, you can use your Cash App account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.